Hello students, I am going to brief you about the course. What are the contents of this course? In this course, we are covering 5 topics. First is role and importance of document controller. Second is document and record management. Third is document management best practices. Fourth is record management best practices. And fifth is introduction to EDMS, that is Enterprise Document Management System. In roles and importance of document controller, you will learn what are the responsibilities and importance of document controller. What are his functions, what is the education is required to become a document controller, and what is his total responsibility to manage document control area. In second topic, document and record management, the course is an overview and is meant for those who would like to understand what is the difference between document management and record management, where you will learn what is document management, what is the document life cycle, what is the document creation to document destruction, what is record retention stage, what is and how is document stored, and what is record disposition stage, and how to manage. So this will be taught in document and record management. Third topic covered is about document management best practices, which will give you an overview of what are the best practices in document management and what are the values of document in a corporate world, how to store them, how to prevent their unauthorized access, how to use DMS, what are the compliance and governance, how to manage the document retention and their disposition, which will be covered in document management best practices. Fourth topic is record management best practices, where you will learn and understand what are the best practices in record management, what are the values of records in corporate world, how to maintain the records, what are the retention policies, what are the management involvement and dedication, what are the confidentiality we have to maintain while retaining the documents or records, how to and when to dispose the records, how to securely store the records, what are the environment required, what are the disaster recovery plans to be implemented. These are the topic covered in record management best practices. The last topic what we have covered is introduction to enterprise document management system, which will give you an overview of how to implement enterprise document system in your organization and what are the differences between non-EDMS and EDMS organization, what is electronic document management system, what are the different names for EDMS used in the industry, what are the document management modules used nowadays to manage the documents, what are the dynamic document numbering system, what is correspondence management, what is document and drawing management. These all topics are covered in EDMS, just an introduction so that you will manage your upcoming EDMS in your organization. Students, thank you very much. Hope you will enjoy this course.